Alright guys, here comes Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 745. This is your westbound train to Oakland, Jack London Square. Here it comes now. And F59 PHI leading this one off. Sorry about that kid yelling in the background. Don't mind him. Oh my gosh, this kid, he's trying to interrupt my video. I feel like he's trying to interrupt my video. That F59 PHI is 2007. Because I can tell of a horn sound. Yep, it's 2007. Cap car 8310 Mount Hamilton. And that same set, I think that was 1 month or 2 months ago. Alright, that is your Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 745 to Oakland, Jack London Square. Thank you everybody for watching, hope you enjoy it.